poppin', baby? Huh? You like to fuck around, throw water at people, huh? Huh? How you like that so delicious, huh?
Look what you did
delicious,
to my face.
huh? Delicious.
All about that money, man.
Just Ricardo. There you go. Yep.
You both suck.
What you talking about?
You both suck.
With your big ass. You got it soaked now, nigga.
Don't touch me.
Where you going? Oh, got him. Got him. Where you going? Give me some again. Give me some again. There we go. Where you going? Go somewhere with that.
No, you go away. Go away.
What a loser. Yeah, this girl behind me. Loser. Loser. Oh, baby, I like it when you're nice and wet.
Shut up.
One more. Ricardo.
Get out of here. No.
What you want, huh? Car wash gone wild. Part 3. Alright, see what happens. You know, I'm trying to have a little fun with my girlfriend and everything. You know, I'm trying to give her a hug and everything, and all of a sudden she boom. What's too on it? Yo. She's gonna pay for that shit, for real. I'm gonna beat her motherfucking ass right now, son. You got something coming for you, baby girl. We got something coming for you. Ricardo, call this shit. She got something coming.
Estamos out. Good.
Bring her over here! Bring her over here!
Tried to injure me. A bitch told Scrappy and he told me that they into me. No, I drink Remy. They know I
can't too far.
23. No, I let my screen fall when I be in DC. Think cause I'm on BET that I ain't never seen a key. I was selling great back when they made lean on me. Now I got that ring on me. 12-carat ring on me. Yellow black Charger, that's my Waffle House machine on me. Fast come, I see them clear like the diamonds in my ear. Hey, cause I pop freestyle open.
How you like that? How you like that apple?
Drop blocker here, chopper here, chopper here. Hate the guts ain't in the instead, but I bet that ostrich is. Show you how to prosper here. Flip a brick,
street gone wild.
ain't got no time for the silly shit. Show you how to prosper here. Flip a brick, flip a quick, stick and move.
When you did that, I don't think you did that to my face.
I've been a made man, I say the word and you'll get touched up. Keep talking shit, bitch, I had your whole clique hushed.